Hello guys, today we want to draw a very simple and beautiful flower together. Please take your drawing tools and join me. First, we start by drawing a circle. Then, we draw the petals one by one. I love flowers, how about you? First, we start with green color. Now, it's orange's turn. Now it's the turn of lovely pink. Then blue color. Lovely yellow color, like the sun. Attractive red color, like fire. Now we use soothing green color. Painting is finished. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I love you so much. See you in the next video.